When we first discovered this monstrous fireplace in our loft, we had no idea of the journey it would take us on. We toyed with just plasterboarding over it, but instead chose to restore it and show her off in all her glory. So here's how we got her from beast to beauty. We tried cleaning the brick faces with brick acid, but the old mortar was just smearing everywhere. So to get a clean finish, we had to rake out all of that mortar. We used special attachments for our angle grinder and drill specifically for this and spent hours raking it all out. This was tough on the old arms, but absolutely necessary for what was to come. And to be honest, I think it looked so much better even just after this step. Once that was all clear, we could then crack on with the cleaning. We used a brick acid cleaner which worked a treat, diluted as per the instructions, and just scrub-a-dub-dubbed each brick face to remove any marks or dried on old mortar. So by this point we've got the fireplace to here, looking pretty good compared to before, I'd say. And this is when we called in a professional mason to repoint the whole thing with lime mortar. An excellent job. We could not have DIY'd this so well ourselves, and he even repaired some of the cracked and chipped bricks at the same time. 10 out of 10. Then for the final stage we bought a brick sealer and dustproofer to keep all this hard work protected for years to come, and just to stop any loose bits flaking off into the finished room. This was so easy. Just brushed a coat over the whole thing and it's finished. This 130-year-old fireplace has never looked better, and I have to say it was so worth all that hard work, don't you think?